In this video, I will be reviewing and discussing Base44 versus Rork. So let's get started. Now, if you're choosing between Base44 and Rork, you're deciding between back-end infrastructure and full app building. Now, both help you create without heavy coding, but they focus on very different layers of a product. So let's break it down clearly so you know which one fits your goal. Let's begin with the similarities, and the first one that we have is no code or low code approach. Both platforms reduce the need for traditional programming. They're designed for builders who want to move fast without managing complex code bases. So, if your goal is speed and accessibility, both support that. Next, we have faster than traditional development. Both tools allow you to launch projects quicker than building everything from scratch. You're skipping manual back-end setup and large engineering overhead. That makes both attractive for MVPs and startups. Lastly, we have built for modern builders. Neither platform is focused on outdated website templates. Both aim to support modern digital products rather than simple static pages, so they're positioned more towards app style projects than basic sites. Right, okay, now let's move on to the differences. And the first one that we have is Rork is what they actually built. So, Rork is focused on building full applications, including front-end interfaces and app logic. It's more of an all-in-one app creation tool. Base44, on the other hand, is more of a back-end oriented app. It focuses on database structure, APIs, and infrastructure rather than visual app design. So if you want to visually build the entire app, then Rork is stronger. And if you want backend power to connect to a front end, Base44 fits better. The next point we have is design versus infrastructure. Rork emphasizes visual creation of the product itself. You interact with UI elements and workflows. Base44 emphasizes backend systems, data, logic, and structure. So if your priority is user interface building, Rork wins, and if your priority is backend architecture, Base44 makes more sense. Lastly, we have flexibility and technical depth. Base44 gives you more structured backend control and may integrate better with customer front ends. Rork, on the other hand, focuses more on packaged app creation rather than deep infrastructure control. So if you're building a more custom technical stack, Base44 is likely stronger, and if you want an all-in-one simplified builder, Rork is more convenient. So here's a simple decision. If you want to visually build an entire app in one place, Rork is the easier route. And if you want backend infrastructure that can power a more customized front end, Base44 is the better fit. So it comes down to this. Are you building the whole app in one tool, or are you building backend infrastructure for something bigger? That's what should help you decide between Base44 and Rork. So anyways guys, that will be it for this video. I hope this video helps you guys out, and I will be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.